In today's video, I'll show you how to create lead generation forms in Typeform step by step. If you want to collect customer information, generate business leads, or grow your audience, Typeform makes it easy to build professional forms that feel simple and engaging for users. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. Then click Create New Form to start from scratch, or choose a template if you want a faster setup. Once the form builder opens, start with a welcome screen. This is important because first impressions matter. Add a short message explaining what users will get by filling out the form, such as a consultation, free resource, quote, or callback. Next, click the Add Content button and begin adding your lead capture questions. Start with basic information like name and email address. Use short answer questions for these fields, and make sure the email question uses validation, so users enter a proper email format. After that, you can add additional questions depending on your goal. For example, you might ask about company size, services they're interested in, budget range, or the type of help they need. To improve completion rates, keep your questions short and easy to answer. Too many complicated questions can cause users to leave before submitting the form. Now, let's make the form smarter. Go to the Logic section and add conditional logic if needed. For example, if someone selects a certain service, you can automatically show follow-up questions related only to that option. This keeps the experience personalized and conversational. You can also use calculator logic for lead scoring. For example, higher value answers can add more points, helping you identify stronger leads automatically. Next, customize the design of your form. Open the Design section and change colors, fonts, backgrounds, or add your logo so the form matches your business or brand identity. If you want better conversion rates, add a strong ending screen with a thank you message and clear next steps. For example, let users know when they can expect a reply or where they can contact you. Before publishing, always test the form yourself using preview mode. Make sure everything works correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. Once your form is ready, click Publish and copy your share link. You can place the form on your website, landing page, social media, email campaigns, or ads to start collecting leads. And that's it. You've successfully created a lead generation form in Typeform that looks professional and helps collect valuable customer information. And that's how you create lead generation forms in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.